Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off smart suggestions in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn this little tutorial option off, we have to go to Settings, then we're looking for Advanced Features, and here we have Smart Suggestions. What does it do exactly? As you can see, get suggestions for useful actions such as calendar events, to add and messages to send, based on how you use your phone to protect your privacy, etc. The information never leaves your phone. So we can choose what to exclude from this, from the smart suggestions, or we can turn it off all by just simply tapping this and checking this box. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.